This video is produced by the École Centrale de Nantes.
Is a project that was given us by an individual client. The goal was to create a project management application which was ideal for small projects such as a year-end party, for example. One of the most important criteria was the simplicity of this tool, and the client wanted us to imagine the application and wanted us to be able to tell him if it was worth it to be launched on the market at the end.
So what do we expect from a project management software? That's the question that we had to answer first. However, there are dozens of such applications, and thus we looked at the market leaders and a few others that we had selected. For each program, we have listed the features it contains and noted some comments on its design, ergonomics and price. Then we have kept only the features that we thought were essential. On several occasions, the customers had reminded us that this was more our project than his, and he decided not to impose his choices. For example, he did not give us any advice for the choice of features, and he waited to see our entire work before giving his opinion, and that gave a project deal.
We then started the creation of a model focusing on usability and the functionality we previously selected. After presenting the customer a paper that has validated our model, we began to implement it using the Muse software from Adobe. We have identified 4 main sections: task, document storage, a visual tool, a Gantt, and discussions. Implementing such an application requires months of work for professional developers. This wasn't part of our project. However, we consider the technical solutions. Our principal choices, we decided to use a framework to develop the application, and our choice fell on Symfony, an online storage system existing as Amazon S3. We also thought about the online payment system because we have chosen to offer a paying version of the application.
We also had to think about the marketing aspects of the development of an application, and we also had to build a business plan. So the issue was that the tool had to be both a popular tool and a profitable tool, which was the goal of the client. So then we have decided to build a free version in order to generate a variable spread of the application. But we also imagine a paying version of the application which would offer a greater storage capacity, for example.
To conclude, the project let us a full autonomy over our choices, and we want to thank Mr. Grisot for his availability.